In Business Central, with your purchase orders or other documents, you may want to actually understand complex transactions. I've raised a complex transaction here. It's a purchase order that has a lot of different quantities, but as I scroll over, I can see that the quantity ordered and what is left to received and what's been invoiced is all different numbers. Okay. So as a business, how do I actually get on top of this and see statistically what's going on? We actually have, by clicking on order, we can click on statistics and we get a wealth of information here on this page. So I can see in general quantity of items, the net weight, gross weight, volume. I have number of tax lines. I can see what's billed. If I scroll down, I can see here the amount excluding GST, what's been invoiced, so what the order is, what's been invoiced. We've invoiced about 50%. Okay, I can see again quantity is gross weights. I've got my shipping, so I can see what quantity is actually shipped of the total order. I can see what's actually sitting here in prepaid, where the balance is with the vendor, the total excluding GST. Okay, and this is the additional reporting currency it's showing. So it's giving me my balance, but it's giving me a breakdown in the additional reporting currency totals. So statistics are quite cool. If you're using tools like Avalara, Avalara is actually the tag. It tags into two key functions. It hooks into a release function to update all of the taxation, but it also, interesting fact, it hooks into statistics. When you run it, the taxation integrates and comes back. All right, so that is how statistics work when using a purchase order.